Hello, and welcome to Mastering Money, a comprehensive guide to financial literacy. And in today's video, we're diving deep into the essential principles of managing your finances wisely. Whether you're just starting your financial journey or looking to enhance your money skills, this guide is designed to provide you with valuable insights. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. So, let's get started. 1. Importance of financial literacy. Financial literacy is the foundation of making informed and effective decisions about your money. It empowers you to navigate through life's financial challenges and opportunities. Understanding your finances is not just about numbers. It's about creating a secure future and achieving your goals. Now, let's explore why financial literacy is so crucial. 2. Budgeting basics. First and foremost, let's talk about budgeting. Creating a budget is like having a roadmap for your money. It helps you track your income, set spending priorities, and allocate funds for savings and investments. Let's break down the basics of budgeting and how it can be a game changer for your financial well-being. 3. Savings strategies. Now that we've discussed budgeting, let's move on to savings. Building a solid savings plan is a key component of financial success. We'll explore different saving strategies, from emergency funds to long-term investments. Discovering the right approach for your goals is crucial for achieving financial security. 4. Understanding credit. Credit plays a significant role in our financial lives, affecting everything from buying a home to securing a job. Understanding how credit works and managing it responsibly is essential. We'll delve into the world of credit scores, debt management, and how to use credit to your advantage without falling into common pitfalls. 5. Investing for the future. Now, let's talk about investing. Investing is a powerful tool for growing wealth over time. We'll cover different investment vehicles, risk management strategies, and how to create a diversified portfolio. Whether you're a beginner or seasoned investor, there's always more to learn about making your money work for you. 6. Planning for retirement. Retirement may seem like a distant concept, but it's never too early to start planning for it. In this segment, we'll discuss retirement planning, including employer-sponsored plans, individual retirement accounts, IRAs, and other strategies to ensure a comfortable and secure retirement. 7. Navigating taxes. Taxes are a part of life, but understanding how they work and optimizing your financial situation can make a significant difference. We'll cover the basics of personal finance-related taxes, deductions, and credits, helping you make the most of your income while staying compliant with tax laws. 8. Debt management strategies. Now, let's tackle an important aspect of financial literacy, managing debt. Whether it's student loans, credit cards, or other obligations, understanding how to handle debt is crucial. We'll explore effective debt management strategies, including debt consolidation, negotiation with creditors, and creating a repayment plan that aligns with your financial goals. 9. Real estate and homeownership. Owning a home is a significant financial milestone for many. In this segment, we'll delve into the world of real estate and homeownership. We'll discuss the home buying process, understanding mortgages, and how to make informed decisions when it comes to one of the most significant investments in your life. 10. Financial planning for life events. Life is full of unexpected events, and being financially prepared can make a world of difference. We'll cover financial planning for life events such as marriage, having children, and dealing with unforeseen circumstances. Learn how to adapt your financial strategy to life's changing landscape and secure a stable future for you and your loved ones. And that concludes our comprehensive guide to financial literacy. Remember, mastering money is an ongoing journey, and the more you know, the better equipped you are to make informed decisions. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more financial insights. Thank you for joining us on Mastering Money, and until next time, stay financially savvy. What you think about the video, let me know in comment section. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Thanks for watching.